In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two Wix sites into one. If you have multiple Wix websites and you're looking to streamline your online presence, this tutorial will guide you through the process in just a few simple steps. Let's start by opening your browser and searching for Wix. Once you see the Wix website in your search results, go ahead and click on it to open the login page. Enter your login credentials to access your Wix dashboard. Now that you're logged in, it's time to open both of the Wix sites you want to combine. The easiest way to do this is by opening each site in separate browser tabs. This allows you to seamlessly switch back and forth between the two sites throughout the process. Next, access the Wix editor for the site that contains the page you intend to transfer. In the editor, navigate to the Menus and Pages section. This is where all your site's pages are listed. Look for the specific page you want to transfer over to your other site. Once you've located it, simply click on the three dots next to the page name. This will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the option that says Copy. This action will copy the selected page to your clipboard, allowing you to paste it into your other site. With that page now copied, switch over to the second browser tab where your destination Wix site is open. Again, you're going to head to the Menus and Pages section within the site's editor. Find a spot in the list of pages, right-click your mouse, and choose either Paste or Paste and Apply Site Theme from the options that appear. If you select Paste, the copied page will be inserted into your site with its original theme intact. This can be handy if you wish to retain the page's initial style. On the other hand, selecting Paste and Apply Site Theme allows the page to adopt the new site's color and text themes. This ensures a seamless look that's consistent with the rest of your site. Now that you've made your choice, the page should appear in your list of pages under the destination site. This is a critical moment to double-check everything to ensure it's as you expect. The final step is to save and publish your site. This will push the updated content live, integrating the new page into your existing site, effectively combining your two Wix sites into one cohesive web presence. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully merged pages from two Wix sites into one. Remember, this can be an effective strategy for managing your online content better and improving your website's user experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.